Struggling with a small Motorola screen? In this video, I'll show 4 proven ways to mirror your Motorola to PC, Mac, or TV for easier viewing and sharing. Part 1. Screen mirroring Motorola to PC computer. 1.1 Using Screen Mirror. For screen mirroring Motorola PC or Smart TV, Screen Mirror offers a direct path for displaying a screen for Motorola, including models like 7060-5040, G-Power or G-Stylus G100, and E32, E22, E20, etc., on a computer or television. Step 1. Install and connect the device. Download and install Screen Mirror on your computer. Launch the program after installation completes. Connect your Motorola phone using a USB cable. When prompted, select your device and choose Transfer Files mode. Step 2. Enable developer options and USB debugging. Open Settings on your Motorola device. Go to About Phone Software Information. Tap build number 7 times. Unlock developer options. Return to Settings. Enter developer options and activate USB debugging while still connected. Step 3. Allow access and complete setup. Approve the permission request on your phone. Allow the app to access and display your device screen. Tap Turn On to install the Screen Mirror APK. Once finished, control Android apps from your Windows or MacOS computer. 1.2 Using Visor. A browser-based mirroring approach allows Visor to project a Motorola device onto a PC or Smart TV environment with simple installation steps. It relies mainly on USB for stability, while wireless use is available with certain configurations. Part 2. Screen mirroring Motorola PC or Smart TV. 2.1 Using Smart Connect. Seamless device linking on Motorola phones is enhanced by Smart Connect, which focuses on integrating phone activity with PCs and compatible displays. 2.2 Using Let's View. Wireless casting for screen mirroring Motorola PC or Smart TV is handled efficiently by Let's View through Wi-Fi-based screen transmission. The tool avoids cables and connects devices on the same network for quick pairing.